Let's take the Mariner's Handbook, which you should have on board a ship, and check whether it can be useful for predicting rain by observing clouds. Here you can find illustrations of warm and cold fronts and the types of clouds by which you can predict that rain is approaching. Let's take a real observation of an approaching front during the day. From the weather forecast charts, we know that a cold front is coming and overtaking a warm front, thus forming an occluded front at the location of our observation. So let's also check what clouds we expect to see when encountering an occluded front. We are going to compare the observed clouds with the pictures from the Mariner's Handbook. Okay, we are ready. The sky is clear, and the first clouds are starting to appear. Cirrus clouds are often the first sign of approaching fronts and rain. That is exactly what we can see here. The next clouds we expect are cirrostratus. Here we can see something similar, but it looks more like cirrocumulus clouds, which are more typical of a cold front. In any case, this is still a sign of approaching rain. The next clouds we expect are altostratus. However, what we see here looks more like altocumulus, which is also likely to indicate a cold front. The next clouds we expect are nimbostratus, which indicate that rain is already approaching. Okay, it looks like these clouds look the same as in the picture, just probably mixed with the next rainy clouds we expect. And the next clouds, which are expected to bring rain, are stratocumulus, and probably a cumulonimbus cloud above them. Well, and where is the rain? Aha! And here is the rain. It looks like it works, so the Mariner's Handbook is indeed very helpful.